Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily use focus presets on your ELGATO Facecam Pro. So first, what you guys need to do is open up the Camera Hub, which is the app designed for ELGATO cameras. Go over to device and make sure that the input is ELGATO Facecam Pro. Now, go over to focus and make sure that the automatic focus is disabled. Now, here we can easily adjust it, but here we have the presets for it. So now let me click near. As you guys can see, now the focus is very good. Mid, it's not that good. And far, it's even worse. Here, you can even adjust it to 333. And it's all up to your preference, as you guys can see. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.